I've decided to spend my last few weeks winter camping in North America, but this was a close call.
I can't believe I just did that to Beluga.
For the last few weeks, I've been planning my journey across Central and South America, and today I want to show you a more ordinary day living out of my Model X.
No.
The days are short,
I am cold.
temperatures are well,
Woo!
I'll let you decide.
This is so beautiful to be out here.
As I try to ready myself for my next expedition, what is it really like to car camp during a harsh winter storm?
Welcome to snowy Colorado. Today we're out here and yeah, you might have guessed it already. We have a notorious, oh my God, my eyes actually, oh, that's way too bright. We have a notorious theme of getting ourselves stuck or damaging Beluga lately. And that just happened. Yeah, that was not intended. That's where I hit. Damn. Well, there it goes. Wow, that was not. There it is. What did I just do? Oh my God. Yes, we're back on the road. I can't believe I just did that to Beluga. Oh, got a little too carried away trying to do donuts here. But this is a common theme. Either I get stuck or we damaged the Beluga a little bit. If you're new here, friends, my name is Sandro. I live full-time out of this Tesla Model X. And today we are in Silverton, Colorado, near Mullis Overlook, which is an overpass. It's one of the highest in Colorado, which means with the participation that's in the forecast, which should be amazing. It's estimated from 6 to 10 inches to up to a foot of snow. Tonight, we're gonna be camping out here. It's cold. Oh, that's the problem right there. It's the zip tie. It didn't hold up. Last week when I was in Las Vegas and getting the car inspected for the collision, I ended up cooking up like this. I was making coffee just outside, and this lady came up to me and she was like, "Hey, excuse me, I have a question for you." And I was like, "Yeah, sure, go ahead." And she goes like, "Are you affected by the LA wildfires?" And I said, "Oh, no, I'm not. Like, I'm just traveling." She's like, "Oh, where are you traveling from?" I said, "Well, kind of all over the place. You know, I don't really have a set home base, so I said, I've been on the road for 2 years." And she goes like, "Wait, what? 2 years? Why?" She was like, "Well, I like to travel, and she goes like, what'd she say again? "Why would you do that to yourself? Live out a car like that?" And I'm like, well, first of all, in my head, I'm like, okay, don't need to get all defensive. She doesn't know me. So I was like, well, I'm very happy. I feel grounded. I get to travel this beautiful continent, the world essentially, having spent time in Europe. And she kind of was like, "Really?" I'm like, yeah, it's so liberating to be out and about in nature with temperatures like this. Like, yeah, it's cold, but you can bundle up and you just be adventurous, right? Cheers, guys. I just finished a 18-hour fast. No food, no liquids except for a 12-ounce glass of water this morning. So I'm more than excited to drink this on a super cold day. Let's hope I don't burn my mouth, because that's a common theme as well. Oh my goodness. This is where it gets really, really deep right here. Just the snow. There's just collapse. Wow. All right. Well, I think that's where it stops for me here. Just to finish up that story about that lady that came to talk to me, was, you know, I really want people to be happy, to find fulfillment in their life. And for me, what I'm doing right now, just living out of my car, you know, roaming like this, going to Mexico soon, that's for me really fulfilling. And I don't think there's enough in this world of that, where people feel fulfilled with what they do with their lives, you know. And when my dad was terminally ill and we would sit on the couch at 3 or 4 in the morning, just, you know, talk about some of our favorite memories, you know, there was a common theme of just how proud he was with the life he lived, the places that we got to explore together, travel. That's how I settled in the United States, you know. So that really changed my perspective really quick after he passed away, is to keep exploring, to harness the moments, you know, be more present, which is not easy with today's technological distractions all over the place. That's really what I wanted to say to her. It was like, I'm so happy on the road. Don't worry about me. Oh, it's the perfect time to cook some food. Coffee was waiting for me too. It's gonna be such a cozy day. And if you're curious on how I dry my stuff in my car when it's wet like this, just like that, heat heaters, there we go. So my socks get nice and dry because they're soaked right now. And these are my only winter socks that I have. I want them to keep them dry. So right now we're getting about 29 watts with our solar from these panels. They're covered up front right now with complete snow, but still producing just a little bit. That's awesome. Whew. All right. The day that I decide to put Beluga up for adoption or sell her, you know, when they ask about like the condition of the car, like, you know, I would say about averagely used. Did you smoke inside of it? No. Did you cook inside of it? Yes, that's for sure. A bonus of cooking with induction, you actually don't have to crack your window because there's no fuming, nothing burning here. But I will crack it just a little bit so the fumes can escape on its way out. Ah, no. Come on, work with it. Yes, I don't want to melt the plastic. Oh. So, don't judge me. Oh, delicious. It's time to go back outside to prep for the night. Let's see, anything? No output, nada. Let me close it again. Let's refresh. Nothing. That is a little bit frustrating, but I would think there must be some solar rays just still hitting the panel, but maybe it's not the angle. I have no idea where the sun is. Clean dishes the fancy way. So it's 5:30. You know what time it is. Dinner time. Oh, jeez. A gourmet dinner for tonight. Because if you remember, I didn't eat everything for lunch. So we have sushi. Look at that. But where are my chopsticks? No luck with my chopsticks. No luck with my chopsticks. No luck with my chopsticks. So sushi with a fork. That is some hard sushi. It's a day old, so 2 days. No, 3 days. But it is in case of emergency. So part of my favorite thing about Beluga tonight is just keep me all nice and cozy. I know there's a lot of Tesla haters out there. A lot. Suck it. I'm nice and cozy. No, I'm just kidding. That's kind of mean. But yeah, I'm nice and cozy tonight with camp mode. Right now it's about 58%, -70 degrees. Let's see how she holds up tonight. Keep us nice and cozy. Yeah, it's cold. Like I even brought out my rumple blanket. So it's cold.
A few moments later.
I guess the police showed up.
Hey, I'm just making sure you're not stranded here.
No, I'm good, man. I'm
You're
just
good on
I'm just
purpose.
camping. Yeah,
Cool. Have fun.
just hanging out.
Cool.
Cheers, man.
Just making sure. Have a good night.
Yeah, I appreciate you. Cheers. I saw some lights there. My heart just skyrocketed like crazy. Anytime I have a conversation with police, I always get a little bit nervous. Whew. Wow. Look at that. Wow, that's beautiful. Got the icicles. Look at that. Wow. I have some good news. I don't think we actually have to plow to get out of here. It's all fluffy stuff. Oh. For those who are curious, let's do the official measurement. Oh. So about 8 centimeters. Not bad. Wasn't that bad after all, but boy, it's cold. Isn't this so satisfying? As I suspected, I actually don't think that's an accurate measurement here. There's a lot more snow here. 5 inches, 13 centimeters. That crazy, being honest, but boy, it is a cold one this morning. Look at that. And it's windy too, you can see the fresh powder just leaving. All right, let's get to work. Whew. Vale. Look at that. Wow. Oh, it's gonna be such a nice, beautiful day today. But boy, I am cold. So I want to show you guys a really cool experiment with just how cold it is right now with some hot water. And in the meantime, while I want to show you guys the solar modules, because it's still charging my EcoFlow right now, I think. So we're getting about 75 watts of solar input with the solar modules. Isn't that so cool right now? 75 watts right there. So we have a cup of water right here. 3, 2, 1. One more. It's cold. Woo! That was cool. I just don't want to get high-centered. There we go. Good. Beluga, you beast. Don't underestimate her. Drive safe out there and stay warm. Cheers. We hebben de mic weer back. Audio test, 1, 2, 3. Audio test, is het goed?